Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for the perfect treat for your fowl friends, then you should check out these black soldier fly larvae from Hatortempt. Look how adorable these ducks are waddling up to get their fill of all of these larvae. Something that's really cool about these larvae is that they have calcium in them, which really helps to make a higher quality egg. Now, if you're someone who's raising your own chickens or ducks for their eggs, then it's definitely something that you're going to want to supplement into their diet. The chickens and the ducks actually fed together when we scattered these on the ground, which is something that's kind of unusual for them, but they just didn't care. They were happy to gobble them up no matter who was around. This is dry larva, which I think is a huge improvement on using live larvae. For one, it doesn't need to be refrigerated or kept in any way. It comes in a really nice resealable bag. And I just love the convenience of that. You can just dip your hand in and scatter them whenever you want to. These are super plump and crunchy, and the birds just absolutely love them. And I can tell that they think they taste really good because they scratched and pecked and went for every last single one when we scattered them on the ground. Hatortempt is known for their really high quality products, and this black soldier fly larva is absolutely no exception. You and any of the animals you decide to feed this to are not going to be disappointed, and that's my point of view.